I want to share with you the first two places that a burglar is going to go when they break into your home. My name is Jason Hanson. I'm a former CIA officer, and right now I'm in shorts, which means only one thing. I'm near the beach or going swimming because I almost never wear shorts. I'm not a big fan of shorts. But anyway, let's get back to the home invasions and burglary thing I just mentioned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on that ring notification.
Please welcome back former CIA officer Jason Hanson.
Former CIA Jason Hanson.
This handsome fella is Jason Hanson.
This is Jason Hanson, former CIA guy.
So, I help people a lot with home security audits, basically how to make their home virtually intruder-proof. And so someone was asking me the other day, hey, when somebody breaks in, where are they going first? There are two places a burglar is gonna look. Now, when I say burglar looking for two places, what I'm talking about is somebody who's cased your home, somebody who is looking to break into your house when you're at work, when you're not home. They're looking to be in that house for about 7 minutes, no longer, because obviously the longer in there, the longer they can get caught. So about 7 minutes is the time frame they're in there. They want to be in and out. So these are more daytime burglars, not the guys who are high on drugs and crazy maniacs who break down your door at 3 a.m. because they could care less about anything, meaning they still want to rob you, but they could care less about killing, harming, doing that kind of stuff. So for these daytime burglars, the very first place they're gonna go when they break into your home is straight to your master bedroom. That's place number one. They go to your master bedroom and they rummage through your sock drawer. They're looking for the coins, the jewelry, whatever you got, the cash, whatever you got in your sock drawer. Also, they go to your master bedroom closet and they're looking for a small safe. So do you have some kind of small portable safe that maybe has guns in it, that maybe has emergency cash in it? They're gonna look around your master bedroom very quickly, snatching anything they can. And then the very second place they're gonna go in your house is a home office. Obviously, since the pandemic, we have a tremendous amount of people who are now working from home. They have home offices. And in those home offices, they have stuff laying around. They have important electronics. They have laptops. They have other electronic equipment. They have maybe a small fireproof safe in there where they're storing cash. So they're gonna go to that home office, snatch laptops, iPads, whatever the heck is lying around in there, see if there's any safe, see if there's any cash lying around, and any other goodies. Once they hit the master bedroom, once they hit that home office, then they're gonna skedaddle and get out of there. So what are the lessons from this? Well, lesson number one is don't store anything super important and valuable in your master bedroom. If you have a small safe, a fireproof safe for cash, and I highly recommend you have a safe in your home, whether it's a large one or a small one. As for me, I have a large safe, and inside that I have a small safe where I keep my emergency cash. But don't keep it in your master bedroom. You want to have these safes be hard to access. It should be a pain in the butt to get to them. For instance, maybe you have a safe up in your attic and it's buried under some clothes marked old clothes. It's not easy to get to. After all, it's emergency cash. You shouldn't be going in there unless it's an emergency. If you need other cash at home, then take that out from the ATM, keep it somewhere easy so your wife can go dip into it every time she needs cash. Ask me how I know. But your real emergency cash, crisis cash, should be difficult to get to. That way you're not touching it unless it's a crisis, and that way also a burglar can't get to it easy. Same thing for your home office. Don't have a ton of stuff in there. Of course, the smartest thing to do is make your house look like the least easiest target, least likely target. Criminals want the path of least resistance. So when they're casing the neighborhood for a day burglary, you want to make sure you got your alarm signs. You want to make sure you got alarm stickers on the back door. You want to make sure you have an alarm system. You want to make sure you have cameras. Have glass breaker alarms on every window in case they break the glass. Have a dog bowl even if you don't have a dog. So you want to make it very, very uninviting. That way when they're looking at your house and looking at your neighbor's house, they're going to say, you know what, I'm going to the neighbors. And that's happened to one of my clients, which was hilarious. His house didn't get broken into because it had awesome security, and his neighbor's house did. So have great security. Don't store anything in your master bedroom or your home office. And remember, home invasions, both day and night, happen all the time. So take this stuff seriously, be prepared. If you want to know the number one way to defend your home, to protect your home, it's controversial, but click below. You can read about that. It is what I recommend. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on that ring notification. I'm former CIA officer Jason Hanson. I'm out of here. Have a wonderful and safe rest of your day.